Hey everyone, you're right on time. We're diving into the latest happenings in the cryptocurrency market, so jump in and don't forget to hit the like button. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve's upcoming statements. The market eagerly awaits news on potential rate cuts, which might get clearer during the annual conference. We mainly see red across the charts with no significant shifts following Bitcoin's recent climb. Speaking of Bitcoin, it made a run past $61,000 but couldn't hold that level for long. It's been a rollercoaster week for Bitcoin. It kicked off the weekend on a positive note with some gains, but then slipped back into the red before bouncing back. Looking ahead, Bitcoin could climb to 65,000 if the bulls take charge, or it might dip to 58,000 if the bears prevail. Ethereum, meanwhile, is in consolidation mode. After a brief spike to $2,700, sellers quickly stepped in, but we've got strong support around $2,500. Right now, Ethereum is hovering near 2,600. Speaking of Ethereum, we all know Vitalik Buterin for his deep dives and philosophical takes on crypto, but this week he switched it up and dropped a bullish meme. We've got to share that with you. Solana's trying to break through the $150 level, but resistance is holding it back. Currently, it's trading around $140. A quick reminder, Brazil's regulator recently approved the launch of a second Solana spot ETF. The momentum hasn't been strong yet, so we'll see if the price makes any moves. Overall, the market is in a free fall with plenty of red coins. With fall approaching, there's more and more buzz about an coming altcoin season, and we're keeping our fingers crossed. In the meantime, memes are leaders. Remember to like and subscribe so you can experience all new videos backlinks.